Welcome to our first video in Excel. You'll notice that what we have up here are home, insert, page layout formulas, and this is a ribbon for each one. So if you click on layout, page layout, your ribbon changes. Alright, so let's start off with home. You'll notice we have bold, italic, underline, and of course you can change the colors of your fonts. Now, your spreadsheet is comprised of columns that we have right here and also of rows that we can have going all the way across. Now when you have a row, you'll notice that when I click on the down arrow here, it goes all the way up to double A, B, A, C, so you have almost an endless amount. However, if I place my cursor here under AA and simply hit my home button, it will go back to the original cell. Now, this is cell A1, as you can see in reference right here. And obviously this would be cell B1. And this would be cell C6. Okay? That's pretty easy to understand. If you wish to format a column or a row, just simply hold down your mouse and right-click and click on Format, Column, Format right here, Cells, and you can choose however you want it to format: numbers, currency, accounting, date, time, so forth and so on. Now for cell or column A, I'm going to choose currency, and you can see we have 2 decimal places and a $sign, and I'm going to click on OK. Now I'm going to click on column B and I'm going to format this one just to show you the difference. I'm going to click on accounting with 2 decimal places. Okay, so we can show you the difference between the two. Now in A, I'm going to type in 1,000 for $1,000, and you'll notice we have a $sign and a comma in the appropriate place. Under the accounting one, I'll type in 1,000 and hit my enter key, and you'll notice that the $sign stays to the extreme left. So you have to decide which one you feel is important or imperative, that you have the $sign adjacent to the number or the $sign all the way to the extreme left. Hopefully that makes sense. Now we're going to try to make each one of the videos short, like at the maximum 3 minutes. Now what I'm going to do here again is click on the word File, and I'm going to click on New, and in doing so you'll notice that we have some other templates that you may want to look at. You can click on any one of these and see if maybe you can borrow one and see if it is appropriate for whatever you're doing. Okay, so this video has been 3 minutes, so I'm going to stop right now and we'll continue on later with video 2.